Hey everybody, this is Beth at 643, and I want to talk to you about my favorite feature in our interface, pitch tracking. I absolutely love pitch tracking. It gives coaches the opportunity to track pitches in live games, scrimmages, bullpens, and even pitcher versus hitter freestyle. Again, anything preseason or in season you want to track, you're able to do that in one place, and then in return, you can interact with that data in a really dynamic way. It's very easy to create a game inside the interface, and you're just going to select the teams you want for either your live game or a scrimmage, select the day of that game and the approximate time that you're going to play it. And then again, you're just going to create a game. And once you get into that game, it's very simple of picking the hitter and your pitcher, and then you're just going to go into the scoring interface where you have a lot of options, but really the three main ones you need to use are what's the pitch type, where did that pitch go, and what was the pitch outcome. So let's say we threw a curveball outside with a strike looking, we're going to log that event, and you're going to notice it in the play-by-play. Again, the great thing about this is once you start tracking pitches, you're going to be able to use all our great analysis tools. We have several analysis tools in pitch tracking that you can view your data in. In game summary, you're able to view a game or a scrimmage overview real quickly, broken down by batters faced, batters at bats. You can see your K-zone summary where each pitch was thrown and where all your balls in play are, along with a pitch summary broken down by pitch. It can be toggled to highlight each zone, and you'll notice each table changes with that to give you the information from that particular zone, as well as you're going to have tables with your hitting summary and pitcher summary. Pitch Highlighter is going to give you a full holistic view of every pitch that a pitcher has thrown or a batter has seen, along with where that ball was hit. You're going to have these great interactive tables that are going to give you performance metrics, batted ball profile, plate discipline, completely interactive. You can click through these, get your highest whiff rates, Z-whiff rates, along with being able to export these out to a PDF. And you've got a million different filters you can choose from. So for example, if you want to just see the pitches thrown with 2 strikes, it's going to filter that down. You can highlight each zone, get the information for that. Again, great holistic view of every pitch that's being tracked. Pitch sequencing is going to show you a count progression view of what is being thrown in each count as you move through an at-bat. It's also going to give you great at-through count averages, interactive tables on sequencing performance based on what is being thrown back to back the most, as well as pitch type by count matrix where you can see what pitch is being thrown the heaviest based off a count. And again, just being able to export this out to a PDF or into an Excel is really helpful. The last analysis tool is team statistics, and this is a great time saver, really for fall and your preseason scrimmages, or even for live games where it's going to do the work for you and it's going to have all your statistics where you can analyze these broken down by batted ball profile, plate discipline. You can even break this down by each pitch. Again, great way to save time. All this is exportable. And again, a great feature that we have in pitch tracking. You can also track all your pitches in your bullpen session using our bullpen interface. It's really simple. You have a lot of options to choose from, whether you want to have a simulated hitter, simulated count, track velocity, spin rate. Again, you're just going to need your pitch type, where you want that pitch to go, and then where they threw it and did they execute it or not. And then you're just going to log the pitch. What's great is you're going to get real-time feedback on these bullpens, what pitches have been thrown, whether they were executed or not. And then you can go back in and use our bullpen analysis tool to see every bullpen that particular pitcher has thrown. A lot of options to filter through. But again, as you can see, a lot of bullpens this pitcher has thrown that I can go through. And if I want to go to a specific bullpen that she has thrown, I can select that, see her K-zone, what pitches she executed, what has she not executed. I can see her pitch breakdown of each bullpen. Again, I can see that she's thrown 17 curveballs with an 82% strike rate. And again, what's great is I can export this out to a PDF as well. So a great tool to save you time, save you paper in your bullpen. And again, just a great feature inside pitch tracking.